Hello there, my name is Jay. I'm one of the expert OET teachers here at E2 Language. You should check out that website. Let's take a look at OET reading part C. This one's pretty tricky. So what happens on test day is you're going to be tested on careful reading. You're going to receive two texts. Each text will be about 800 words long. You have to read for detailed meaning and opinion because in each of those texts, you're going to have 8 4-option multiple choice questions. Okay? All right. What we're going to do today is just look at one question, and we're just going to look at one paragraph. I'm going to read it with you first, and then I'm going to give you 45 seconds, and then a little bit of time to look at it with the question. Okay? Let's take a look. So, obsessive compulsive disorder. Obsessive compulsive disorder, or OCD, affects as many as 1 in 50 people worldwide. One of the most common types of the condition, affecting almost a half of OCD patients, is characterized by severe contamination fears, even from touching something as commonplace as a doorknob, leading to excessive washing behavior. The condition can have a serious impact on people's lives, their mental health, their relationships, and their ability to hold down jobs. It is commonly treated using a combination of medication, such as Prozac, and a form of cognitive behavioral therapy, talking therapy termed exposure and response prevention. This exposure therapy often involves instructing OCD patients to touch contaminated surfaces, such as a toilet, but to refrain from then washing their hands. However, this experience can be so stressful that many patients will not take part. Okay, how did you go understanding that as I read that to you? Did you get 90%, 80%, 70%, 99%, all of it? What I'm going to do now is give you just 45 seconds to quickly read it again yourself. Then I'm going to show you the question. And I think this is a good strategy on test day. I think it's a good strategy to ignore the question and the answer options and just focus on reading and understanding the paragraph first. Then you look at the question and the answer options. Okay, your 45 seconds to quickly read it again starts now. Okay, now here is the question. It says, in the first paragraph, what point is made about obsessive compulsive disorder? I'm going to give you a little hint here. What you're going to do to get to the correct answer here is eliminate those answer options which were not mentioned. Okay? You have 60 seconds. All right, how did you go looking at that? Let's take a look at the answer. But before we do, if you're not yet a subscriber to this YouTube channel, make sure you click that subscribe button because we release great videos all the time. Also, if you're not yet a member of e2language.com, the best OET test prep website in the world, make sure you go and create yourself a free account because you get one full free practice test. You get what I'm trying to say. All right, here is the answer. The answer is A. So, in the first paragraph, what point is made about obsessive compulsive disorder? Current treatment options exclude some patients. That came from the final sentence where it says, exposure therapy often involves instructing OCD patients to touch contaminated surfaces such as a toilet, but to refrain from then washing their hands. However, this experience can be so stressful that many patients will not take part. So current treatment options exclude some patients. B, C, and D were just not mentioned in the text, so they obviously were incorrect. That was a pretty tricky one. How did you go? Put your comments into the comments below.